Hi guys, welcome. I was feeling very giddy that day, very giddy. Don't mind me. My hair need to be taken off, my hair need to be washed, all of that good stuff. But by the way, don't look at my lace. Nah, don't look at it. Okay, so as you can tell from the title, I'll be showing you how I remove my lace front, and I'll be using the bolt hole lace remover. You can't see it because my lighting was so bright, but this is the bolt hold lace remover. And then what I'm doing right now, I'm just spraying it onto the lace, exactly onto the lace, and I use my fingers and just rub it in so that it could activate. So what you got to do is make sure that you use a lace remover or alcohol. Alcohol will definitely lift it up, and also baby oil if you don't have a lace remover. Yep, definitely do that. So what you have to do, just make sure that you rub it in so that your lace does not rip or your edges is not ripped off. So now that I spray everything onto the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and use my fingers and just rub it in. You can let it sit for like a minute or 5 minutes and then lift it up, but this is what I always do, and then I let it sit for a while. And as you can see that I'm pulling, and it is so firm on my head. Look at that. It is so firm, but you can see that a little bit is pulling up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit more. I'm sorry guys, I was just so giddy that day. I don't know what happened. I don't know, don't mind me. Okay, so as you can see that it is pulling up, I'm gonna start from the sides, and I'm gonna take my time and pull it up. And when you're pulling it up, if it feel a little bit tight, like it's pulling the front out, stop and spray some more, and then just use your fingers and pull. Like right here, it is pulling a little bit. I feel it, so I'm going to spray a little bit more and then start with the other side. So I'm going to let that side sit for a second, and then I'm going to go to the other side and just pull it up. And as you can see how easy that looks, it looks very like hurt, but I swear to you, it doesn't hurt at all. It doesn't hurt. And as you can see that it is not on my hairline, it is over my hairline, and those are the lace glue, so don't mind that part. So I'm just going to take my time and pull it all off. Now it's all off. My head feels so light, you can't even, like, I swear to you guys, like seriously, my hair feels so light when I pull it off. So now this is the way how it is. As you can see that the glue is on the lace, you have to take it off. I'm going to show you exactly how I take it off, but first I'm going to use my alcohol and wipe off the excess glue that is on my forehead so that everything can just peel right off without taking out my hairline. So I'm just going to take the alcohol and just rub it. Be gentle when you're rubbing. As I can show you guys, the glue was over my hairline, it wasn't on it, and I still have my edges. Even though it's thin, my edges are still there. Okay, don't get it twisted. Look at that. You see them here? It is still there. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to rub it in and rub it in. Now I'm going to use my Cantu shampoo. I like to do this in the shower, but since I'm on camera, I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. This is the Cantu. I put it onto where the glue is because it's still glue, even though, you know, a lot is come off, but it's still glue. So what I like to do is just rub it in and then let it sit for like 5-10 minutes and then completely wash my hair. Now I'm going to show you guys how I take that off. You got to use the alcohol, and you got to make sure that you use a alcohol spray bottle, which I didn't have. Sorry, I was looking for it, but I was like, holy crap, where's my alcohol spray? So get your alcohol spray, put it into a spray bottle, or what I'm doing right now, I'm just putting it into right onto the lace. You know, I was looking around, I couldn't find it. I was like, what the hell? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on and just rub it in the same way how I do when I was taking it off with the lace remover from Bold Hold. So just put it on, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then you're gonna go ahead and wash it off. So as you can see that some of the glue is coming off, but you want to make sure that it is completely gone. So now that my lighting is changed, I'm in my kitchen. Sorry guys. So yeah, the lighting is very dark, but don't mind that. Just watch me as I show you what to do to take off the lace and also to wash the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Cantu shampoo, and I did show you guys what I use for my wigs. This was one of them. This is the shampoo and condition. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just lather it up and just make sure that it's completely soaked in. And I'm also gonna put it onto the lace and just rub it in. And when you're rubbing it in, you're activating the glue to come right off. As you can see, I am pulling the glue, and let me tell you something, that glue came right off into my hand. I was like, damn, this is so awesome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it out, and while I'm washing it out, I am pulling the glue off the lace. As you can see, that is completely gone. There's no glue left on the lace, even though it's dark, but you can definitely see that there is no glue left on the lace. I'm gonna do it another step just to make sure it is fully completely gone, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. Afterwards, I'm going to use my shampoo. This is the olive oil replenishing can't speak, goddamn, condition. I like to use the Cantu condition, but it was finished, so I had this and I just use it, and I use a generous amount. Like, I put a lot of condition because what I normally do, I let it sit for a day into the condition, or a couple of hours the most, and then I wash it out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna let it sit into the condition, wash it out, and then let it air dry. When it's completely air dry, I will come back and show you the final result. Okay guys, so it's 2 days after. I know, but this is the way how it is. I will show you guys how I curl the hair, because this was a body wave. When you wash the hair, the natural body wave come out, so you got to go ahead and fix it back up to your liking. But I want to show you guys the inside of the lace, which has zero glue, and this is the way how you want it to be. Do not take your lace front off, or your wig, or nothing like that, and put it down with the glue in it. Don't do that. It will definitely mess up your hair. So make sure that you wash it out. But this is the final step. I will show you guys on camera how I curl this hair. Don't forget to tune in every single day, Monday through Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.